Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities as we saw, and we will enter in them. So if is it the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all the latest updates and videos as we post. So you're going to be notified every time as we post a new weekly Forex forecasting, or a monthly Bitcoin forecasting, or a monthly stock market forecasting. So if you are interested about all those things, you can join us and turn the bell notification to be notified when we update a new video. And if you are someone who been a subscriber with us for long, please go down and smash that like button to help us to boost that channel, and write for us a comment, anything, just support us. If you done it, let's continue, my friend. And if you are someone who's still searching for a trading strategy, or you are new to the trading, down below in the first comment, as you see it now in the picture, you're going to find an 85% discount couple link to one of the best selling courses in Udemy. The course, it costs $200. By using that couple link, you're going to get it only by $13. I think it's a very good deal, and by the way, that course is better than millions of courses you're going to find online. They sell it to you by $1,000 or $2,000. That course is got everything he's thinking of about trading. It's got 3 money management strategies. It's got a proven trading strategy. You can use it in scalping, you can use it in day trading, and you can use it even in swing trading. And more than 3 hours live trading. So what you waiting for? Go now and join that course before it's too late, my friend. You done it? So let's continue, my friend. So as every weekend, my friend, before we even start, we analyzing the news. So let's go into my browser to show you the news this week, my friend. As you see, my friend, that week there is no news in Monday and Tuesday. All the news is coming in Wednesday, 11th of May. First one at 6 o'clock, the one of Germany. It doesn't do nothing about market. At 8 o'clock, ECB President Lagarde speech, or that Crystal Lagarde, she going to speak about inflation and all those things. I think everything is too clear till now. 12:30, we got Consumer Price Index of USA, so be aware of it. In Thursday, what we got at 6 o'clock in the morning, by the way, all the time here is GMT time, we got Gross Domestic Product, or GDP of UK. In Friday, we got Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated now. So it's going back to our broker to show you more, my friend. So, my friend, the first pair we got is the EURUSD. And the EURUSD, if you remember, last week we used to be here. And that one is still here from the last week. I told you it's going to make a correction till here. And exactly it came till here, till that place. Then it moved down to here, where you see it now. Now, what our view to this week is going to come till here, till that level here. Then from there we will enter short again. If you want our daily free signals, you can join us in Telegram. As you see it now, you're going to find the link of it in the first comment. Go now and join it before it's too late, my friend. Everything is too clear till now. So the levels we got, my friend, first level here, 1.08852. Another level here, 1.07974. Another level here, 1.06639. Another level here, 1.05725. Another level here, 1.04585. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. Last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to come till here. It came exactly till here. So here we'll have you take profit. It came outside now. My view to it will continue to touch here the overbought area. Then from there it will go down to the oversold area, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So The other pair we got, my friend, is the cable or British pound USD, and that one we used to be here. Told it's going to go up, but it doesn't, so that one is an error. So it came down till here. Now, what my view to it, from that level here, it will go up till here, till that level 1.26494. Remember it very well. Then from there, we will enter short again, my friend. If you want also when we enter exactly, can join us in Telegram channel where we give you when also we will enter. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.27432. Another level here, 1.26494. Another level here, 1.24759. Another level here, 1.22665. And the last level here, 1.19614. And that one is going to be the yearly target, my friend. When it touching here, it will go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. We used to be here last week. Told it's going to go up. It came till here, then from here it fall down again, my friend. Till that level here. As you see here, and here in the chart, we have here a divergence, my friend. That's why I told you it will go up or till here. Then from here also we are going to enter short again, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. The other pair we got, my friend, is the Aussie or Australian dollar USD, and that one used to be here last week, exactly in that level here. Told you it's going to come upward, it came till here, exactly till here, then from there it fall down again, my friend. Now what is it our view to it? It's going to make a correction, maybe till that level here, or maybe till that one here, then from here it will go upward, my friend, till here exactly. Then from there we will enter short again, my friend. Think everything is too clear. Levels we got, first level here, 0.73464. Another level here, 0.72917. Another level here, 0.72473. Another level here, 0.71837. Another level here, 0.71011. And that level here, 0.70078. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. It used to be here last week. I told you it's going to come till here. Touch here, will we take profit? Now it came down. My view to it will come down again here to the oversold area. Then from there it will go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, is USD Japanese yen, my friend, and that one we used to be here last week, here exactly. I told you it's going to fall down. It fell down till here. Then from here it went up. My view to it from that level now is going to come till here, down, till that level here. Then from here it will go upward again, my friend. USD Japanese yen, it's still going up, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 131.754. Another level here, 130.110. Another level here, 128.395. Another level here, 126.572. And that one here, 124.674, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. If you don't understand something, write it down in a comment and we will reply you, my friend. So, Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. If you remember last week I told you, we have here a divergence, my friend, or a channel or something. I told it to you last week. It touched here, fall down, it touched here, then from here it came upward. My view to it will come down again, my friend. It will come down to here, to the oversold area. Then from there we will enter long, my friend. Take profit here in the top. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's the gold, my friend. The gold, if you remember me, I enter long from that level here and the pot stop here. When it touch here, we take 50%. You can ask people they follow me in Telegram channel. I tell it to them here exactly to take 50%. Now it came down here. Our view, it will go back up here. Then from there it will fall down here again. Then from here we will enter again a long one, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. If you don't understand something, write it down. If you want our free daily signals, you can join us in Telegram. Everything is free, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1992.95. Another level here, 1932.59. Another level here, 1903.47. Another level here, 1873.65. Another level here, 1844.62. Think everything is too clear till now, my friend. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. It's to be here last week. It came here, we take 50%. Now, it came down here. And even if you came here and you put like that, you put like that, a trend line, you see it, it touch it now. So from here it will go upward again till it touch in here. Then from there it will fall down again, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's Dragon or British Pound Japanese Yen, my friend. That one we used to be last week here. I told you it's going to fall down. It fall down till here. From here, my view is going to touch here. Then it's going to go upward, my friend, till here maybe. Then from there it will fall down again. Everything is too clear. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. The levels we got, my friend. First level here, 164.679. Another level here, 161.870. Another level here, 159.863. Another level here, 159.039. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. If you don't understand something, go down. Write it in a comment and we will reply you as soon as possible, my friend. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. It touch here, it go upward again, my friend. Then it fall down. Now here, the saw it is going to touch here. Then from here it will go upward again, my friend, till here. Then from here we will enter short again, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So, my friend, that's it for this week. If you don't understand something, just write it in a comment. If you understand everything, write for us a comment and like the video to post it for YouTube algorithm to put us to post this channel plus than that. So, my friend, see you in the next week. Bye for now.